Toujours le dimanche 28 juin, mais un peu plus tard dans la matinée, nous voilà repartis pour le deuxième épisode au lac d'Eda. Le climat est idéal et le moral est bon, malgré ma petite fatigue. Le rythme sera modéré pour le coup.
I'm just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5, hey, I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And
I always feel like somebody's watching me,
and I have no privacy.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Tell me, is it just a dream? When I come home at night, I bolt the door real tight. People call me on the phone, I'm trying to avoid. Well, do the people on TV see me, or am I just paranoid? When I'm in the shower, I'm afraid to wash my hair, 'cause I might open my eyes and find someone standing there. People say I'm crazy, just a little touched, but maybe showers remind me of Psycho much. That's why
I always feel like somebody's watching me,
and I have no privacy.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Who's playing tricks on me? Who's watching me? I don't know anymore.
Oh, the neighbors is watching.
Who's watching?
It's the mailman watching me.
And I don't feel safe anymore.
Oh, what a mess. I wonder who's watching me now.
Ooh, the IRS!
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
And I have no privacy.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Tell me, is it just
You're so hypnotizing. Could you be the devil? Could you be